Hey there, folks. It's your friend Austin Roofing here, and let's be honest, nobody wants to shell out for a new roof. It's an expense we all dread, but just like that leaky faucet you've been putting off, ignoring it only makes things worse. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Austin Roofing, a new roof costs an arm and a leg. And you're right, it's a big investment. But hold your horses, because I'm about to tell you about all the ways you can finance that roof and keep your bank account happy. That's right, we're talking about Roof Financing 101. In this video, we're going to break down all the options, from insurance claims to home equity loans, so you can make the smart choice for your situation. First things first, folks, before you even think about dipping into your savings, call your insurance company. That's right, pick up the phone and tell them about your roof situation. You see, that homeowner's insurance you've been paying for, it's there for a reason. If your roof's damage is covered, you might only be on the hook for your deductible. Now, that can still be a chunk of change, but it's a whole lot better than paying for the entire roof out of pocket, right? Now, let's talk about financing through your roofing company. A lot of folks, especially those who aren't too keen on dealing with banks, find this to be a convenient option. They often have attractive interest rates, and some even specialize in helping folks with less than perfect credit. Just make sure you read the fine print, compare offers, and know exactly what you're signing up for. And if you've been responsible with your money and have a credit score that shines brighter than a new set of shingles, a personal loan might be the way to go. These loans generally have lower interest rates than credit cards, and you can often get approved pretty quickly. But remember, this is like any other loan. The better your credit, the better the terms. Chapter 4. Home Equity Loans. Tapping into your home's value. Now, a home equity loan is where things get a little more serious. You're essentially borrowing against the equity you've built in your home. This can be a good option if you need a larger sum of money and want a lower interest rate than a personal loan. But here's the catch. Your house is on the line. If you can't make your payments, you could lose your home. So tread carefully, folks. Chapter 5. HELOCs, the home equity line of credit dance. A HELOC, or home equity line of credit, is like a home equity loan's cooler, more flexible cousin. It's also based on your home's equity, but instead of getting a lump sum, you get a credit line you can borrow against as needed. This can be handy for ongoing projects or unexpected expenses. But again, remember, your house is the collateral, so use it wisely. Now, I'm not a big fan of debt, but I understand that sometimes you've got to do what you've got to do. If you've got a credit card with a 0% introductory APR offer, using it for your roof might seem tempting. But let me tell you, folks, this is only a good idea if you can pay off the balance before those interest rates skyrocket. Otherwise, you'll end up paying more for your roof than you bargained for. Don't think you qualify for traditional financing? Don't lose hope. There are government programs out there designed to help homeowners, especially those with lower credit scores, get the funding they need for essential home repairs. Look into FHA 203K loans or Title I loans. These might have a bit more paperwork and a longer approval process, but they can be a lifesaver for folks who need a helping hand. Finally, for those of you playing the long game, there's the cash-out refinance. This involves refinancing your mortgage for a larger amount and taking out the difference in cash. You can then use that cash to pay for your new roof. This option typically has lower interest rates than other financing methods, but it takes longer to process and can increase your overall mortgage debt, so it's not a decision to be made lightly. Well, folks, there you have it, a crash course in roof financing. As you can see, you've got options, whether you're working with insurance, exploring loans, or looking into government programs. The key is to do your research, compare offers, and choose the option that best fits your budget and your needs. Don't let a leaky roof rain on your parade any longer. And remember, if you're ever in doubt, reach out to a financial advisor to help you make the smartest choices for your money. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your roofing project.